Let's start with a half cup of sweet and spicy peanuts and a half cup of water to kick off this very versatile Asian-style dressing. You can leave it chunky or smooth. There are no rules. Next we add 1 heaped tablespoon of a garlic ginger paste, followed by 2 tablespoons of Indonesian ketchup manis or sweet soy sauce. You can buy this in any Asian grocery store. Let's add a few more ingredients. 1 tablespoon sesame oil and 1 tablespoon vinegar. Stir again and we'll finish it up. Finally, we add 2 tablespoons of sugar and 1 tablespoon of lime juice and blend well for the last time. When applying, just warm the dressing up a bit and pour on your salad. Here we have some romaine with watercress. Absolutely delicious and simple. Start with 260 grams of store-bought mayonnaise. Add 36 grams of store-bought honey mustard, 60 grams of crushed pineapple, 40 grams of sugar, and most importantly, 4 grams of Indian-sourced curry. This is a great replacement for Thousand Island dressing and goes particularly well as a dip for French fries. Do you want to know how to make almost professional grade fries that are super simple? If you live in the US, start by buying frozen IDA Aura potato fries. Next, use a wok and heat either peanut oil or olive oil to 250 degrees and fry the potatoes for about 4 minutes. Remove them from the wok and let them rest at room temperature for 20 minutes. Heat the oil to 350 degrees and refry the potatoes for about 3 minutes or until crispy. Take out, sprinkle fine sea salt and serve with the pineapple dip. Maybe not Belgian or Dutch fries, but close. And we saved you a trip and some money. And for our last classy dressing, we have mustard dill. Add a half cup of honey mustard and about 1 tablespoon of Dijon. Then pour in the same amount of sugar, a little over a half cup. Follow this with 1 tablespoon of olive oil and 1 teaspoon white wine vinegar. Then cut up and incorporate a handful of dill. This gives the dressing a sweet tart consistency. Here we have a delicious broccoli salad with red onions, celery, walnuts, raisins, and crispy bacon. Pour in the mustard dill dressing and blend carefully by hand so we don't break the bacon. We would love to hear your comments if you have never tried these dressings. In the meantime, thank you as always for joining us today, and we will see you again soon. Cheers.